Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to set up, use and care for the Roborock S5 Max. Make sure you watch till the end to find out just how amazing the robot vacuum is. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. When you first open the box, you will see the robot's moisture-proof mat. It is placed under the robot so that the water doesn't drip onto your precious floor and make a mess out of it when it returns to the dock. You will also see the instruction manual, power cord, charging dock, and mopping cloth. Now, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the robot, charging dock, and power cord with you. Plug the power cord into the charging dock and the other end into the wall outlet. Make sure you turn on the switch. Place the charging dock near an area that has good Wi-Fi reception. Near your router is the best. The Roborock S5 Max can only connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Place the charging dock on a flat surface and make sure there is a 0.5 meter clearance from the sides of the charger and a 1.5 meter clearance from the front of the charger to ensure your robot is able to return home safely. Now, place your robot onto the charging dock and the power button should light up. If it doesn't, please make sure the robot charging plates are in contact with the charging dock. We recommend you to charge the robot up to 8 hours for the first time. You can now download the Xiaomi Home app and connect your robot. Search Xiaomi Home in the App Store or Google Play or scan the QR code below, then download and install the app. Now, I will show you how to connect your robot with the Xiaomi Home app. Open the top cover of the robot to reveal the Wi-Fi indicator light. Press and hold the power button and the home button until you hear the Reset Wi-Fi voice alert. When the Wi-Fi indicator light is flashing slowly, the robot is ready to pair. Open the app and click the plus icon in the top right corner. Please turn on your Bluetooth. On top of this, you must allow location permission. Denying the location permission will cause your robot to not function. Once you have found your robot, tap on it. The robot should be close to your phone. It is now connecting to your robot. This process might take a few minutes. You can give cute names to your new little helper such as Kakak or Maria. Follow the on-screen instruction till the end. Alright, we're done. Once your robot is connected, you can start to make it work for you. You can start cleaning either by room, full, or zone. You need to enable map saving function to be able to customize your cleaning preference. Turn on the map saving option. After the robot has completed 2 to 5 cleaning cycles, you should see the map appear. To set the schedule, tap on the 3 dotted icon on the top right corner. Tap Schedules. Tap the Add icon on the top right corner to create a new schedule. You can customize your schedule by time, day, and also zones. Select the start time. Select the days you would like the robot to run. You can select every day, weekdays, weekends, and even customize the days. Next, you can also select your cleaning options. For the vacuum power, we have a few different modes such as quiet, balance, and turbo. You can also select the water level for mopping functions. The level selection is for you to identify the floor level that your robot will be cleaning. This level selection will only appear if you set multiple floor levels in your home. Without using the Xiaomi Home app, you can still control the robot manually. To start the robot, press power. To pause your robot during a cleaning job, you press power again. If you want to clean a localized area, just press the spot clean. To send your robot back to the charging dock, press Home. To keep your robot running in a tip-top condition, here are the care and maintenance tips you should know. To clean the side brush, use a small screwdriver to unscrew, then take out the brush. Remove any tangled hair, and you're done. To clean the main brush, take out the brushes and remove any tangled hair using the cleaning tool. To clean the filter, take out the filter and clean it with water. Using warm water, clean the washable filter. Then, you need to rinse repeatedly and tap the filter frame to remove as much as dirt as possible. Lastly, dry the filter before reinstalling it. You should replace the filter every 6 months. To clean the water tank, fill the water tank with warm water. Shake vigorously and pour out the excess dirt water. To clean the mop cloth, you need to remove the mop cloth from the bracket, then clean the mop and dry it. Here are some precautions you must know. Keep the main brush cleaning tools out of the reach of children. To prevent short circuit or damaging internal parts, make sure you always place the robot and charging dock at a dry location. Also, if your hands are wet, do not touch your robot and the charging dock. You should remove the battery if you don't intend to use it for more than a month. Do not use unauthorized charger, if not, the battery may overheat, which can lead to smoke, fire, or explosions. Also, do not use a damaged wire or plug for your charging dock. If the cord or plug is damaged, you should replace it. You should not carry the product using the laser scanner cap, main unit cover, or collision buffer. Always remember to disconnect your robot from the charging dock before you clean it. Do not assemble your robot and the charging dock because there are no user serviceable parts inside. If you need a cleaning service for your robot, kindly contact us at our website as we do provide a thorough cleaning service. Your robot is not a toy, so do not sit or stand on this device. Parents should supervise their kids and pets while your robot is running. Use only clean filtered water or approved cleaning solution only. You have to move any power cords as well as cords for blinds and curtains out of the way to reduce the risk of objects being pulled down. Before starting your robot, you have to remove fragile objects from the cleaning area, including objects on furniture that may fall if the furniture is pushed or bumped. Do not use this device to pick up large trash, bleach, paint, or other chemicals. Also, you should not use it to pick up anything that is burning or smoking. Alright, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, kindly contact or drop your message to us. We are always welcoming you. If you need a cleaning service for your robot, kindly contact us at our website as we do provide a thorough cleaning service. Goodbye.